Hello, if you want to enable the power saving mode in OnePlus Nord for 5G, you need to go to the settings. And then in the settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and find battery and then go there. Over here, you need to find the power saving mode, which is over here, and then go there. And you can simply enable the power saving mode by pressing on the slider on the right side. You can also turn off power saving mode when the battery is charged to 90%. This can also be enabled and disabled, and the same goes the automation for the enabling power saving mode. So we can turn on at specified battery level. By default it is 15%, however we can increase it for instance to 58, and as you can see I am at 39% and power saving mode has been enabled automatically. But if I turn it down to 22% for instance, then of course the power saving mode is now disabled. And in addition to that, we also have the super power saving mode, which is even better in terms of saving the battery, so you can enable this one. And we can see the information that the system performance will be reduced and you will only be able to run a few apps at a time. So if we press turn on, then this is how it looks like. And as you can see, we can only use 6 apps at most. We can press edit in order to manage a few things, however we cannot do really much. We don't see the wallpaper, we can only see the time and so on and so forth. And we can see the information how long the battery should last. Of course this is just in theory. If you want to exit the super power saving mode, you have the exit button in the top left corner over here. So if you press exit and then confirm, then you will leave the super battery saver. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!